Hey guys, welcome to episode 1 of this little mini Inktober series. And basically, Inktober is just a 30-day challenge where you draw something every day with ink. And you're supposed to do this on top of your workload, maybe as a warm-up or a cool-down, I don't know. But yeah. Personally, I'm not going to do the whole 30 days. I've completed Inktober before, and I've also completed Goretober, which is, they're another 30-day challenge. So I know what that's like. Like, I don't necessarily feel like going back there. And I'm going to talk about why in this video. I'm not sorry, by the way, I'm sick. I'm trying not to cough, so I'm swallowing my own saliva to soothe my throat. Yeah, I don't necessarily like talking about my opinions all that much on here, just because, as you can probably tell, I'm not a super great smooth talker, and it's hard to get my ideas across. It's much easier for me to write them down because then I can reread it and make sure it doesn't sound too abrasive or anything, but I don't know, my past voiceovers have mostly just been me talking about mundane things that don't really matter, soft subjects. So for this series I'm going to try and thtalk about, they're probably still going to, they're definitely going to be just art related stuff, but just some things that are actually things and not just nothing. But I just wanted to talk about how, I like Inktober, and I associate it with fall and Halloween and stuff, which is kind of probably my favorite time of year. And I love seeing the people I follow post, their pieces, and you get more art from people usually because, they're trying to do Inktober. I don't know, it's just a good time of year. So, obviously we all have our little favorite social media platform, and mine's Twitter, and there's a lot of people who are as I'm recording this, it has started. But yeah, there's people who are just really stressed out about it, and even before October even begun, people were already upset and just talking smack about themselves and really putting themselves down and being super upset about it. And I just think that it's it kind of ties into how do I explain this? It's weird. It's I don't know. I think that we should take a step back and look at this and just accept that if you choose to do Inktober, all right, and you miss a day, or you were busy one day, or you were just you got home and you were just tired and you didn't want to draw, I think it's fine to skip a day or two. You do you, don't fucking panic over this. It's like people get super excited and inspired, but then they're so afraid of failure that they don't want to, I don't know, or maybe it's just because I don't think that missing a day is failure. I think maybe giving up is failure. But that only happens because people have such high expectations of themselves. And I don't know, I think people are psyching themselves out of it. And I think if we really step back and we're this is fine, I'm tired today, I'll just do it tomorrow. And that doesn't necessarily have to mean oh, now I have to do 2 and now they're piled up. No, man, if you want to skip a day, just skip the day, even if you just do a couple pieces, if you do all the pieces, whatever, it's great. I just think that it's been around so long that it's just putting a lot of pressure on people. And if you do even just one piece, it's better than doing no piece. And yeah, I just think we should all encourage each other. And if you're thinking about doing Inktober, this will go up probably, let me look at the day. This will probably go up on the 7th. even if you feel like doing Inktober right now on the 7th, okay, it's not too late. Just do something. Like, it's for fun, okay? You won't, this isn't gonna, like, if you start Inktober but you don't finish it, like, you're not gonna die. There's not gonna be a stamp on your forehead that says loser. Like, we should just chill out and just do what we can, you know what I mean? Yep, that's pretty much it. I hope that was just, like, sort of encouraging at least. I'm looking forward to doing the rest of these videos. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is going up on a Sunday, which means that I'll see you guys for another one on Wednesday. Yeah, so all month I'm going to be doing Inktober videos. Yeah, I'm excited to step back from digital art and all that stuff and just playing with some traditional media, because traditional art isn't my main medium, but it is very relaxing. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.